Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your OnePay card. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to launch your OnePay application on your phone or go to the official activation page printed on the label attached to your card. Once you are there, press the option that says activate your card. Before entering any personal information, confirm that you're on the legitimate OnePay website to protect your account and card details. After that, type in your card information carefully, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, the 3-digit security code located on the back of the card. Review all the details once more before continuing to prevent any activation errors. For identity verification, OnePay may request additional information such as your birth date, the phone number linked to your account, or the final 4 digits of your social security number. In some cases, a temporary verification code may also be sent to your phone or email. Enter that code to verify that the card belongs to you. The next step is creating a secure PIN that you'll use for the ATM access and in-store payments. When the verification process is complete, a success notification will appear confirming that your OnePay card has been activated successfully, and at this point, you'll be able to view your balance, shop online or in stores, and start using the card immediately wherever prepaid or debit cards are supported. And that's all there is to it. Your OnePay card is now ready for everyday use. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.